Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to Engliopedia, the place where learning English becomes easy and enjoyable. Today's video is about the full exercise of the lesson Women's Role in the Pakistan Movement, including comprehension, vocabulary, and grammar. Vocabulary. Choose the correct option. 1. Most of the Muslim women led secluded lives within their homes. By using contextual clues, the word closest in meaning to secluded is A. Involved little in outside social activities. B. Involved too much in activities outside their homes. C. Banned to take part in social activities. Correct answer. A. Involved little in outside social activities. 2. By the mid-40s, a galaxy of women had emerged in the leadership role of Muslim League. In this sentence, the word galaxy means A. A group of impressive persons. B. A system of numerous stars. C. A cluster of bright heavenly bodies. D. Community of people. Correct answer, A. A group of impressive persons. It was Quaid-e-Azam who brought about social revolution in the emancipation and empowerment of women. In this sentence, the word social revolution means A. Communal revolt. B. Societal change. C. Social disorders. D. Economical change. Correct answer, B. Societal change. 4. After reading the lesson Women's Role in the Pakistan Movement, it is inferred that the role of women expanded because of B. Amma's speeches to Khilafat gatherings, B. Fatima Jinnah's participation in all the activities of Quaid-e-Azam, C. Quaid-e-Azam, who stressed the importance of women as equal partners of men in the struggle for a separate homeland, D. Begum Fatima, who invited Quaid-e-Azam to address the girl students of her college. Correct answer. C. Quaid-e-Azam, who stressed the importance of women as equal partners of men in the struggle for a separate homeland. After reading the lesson Women's Role in the Pakistan Movement, it can be concluded that the paragraphs are arranged in A. Chronological order. B. General to specific. C. Specific to general. D. Spatial order. Correct answer. A. Chronological order. Question. Find out the meanings of the following words. Automatic. Self-moving. Khودکار. Anti-war. Opposed to war. Jang ka مخالف. Dispel. To drive out or remove. Door کرنا, رفع کرنا. Aqueous. Of water or containing water. مائع, پانی, والا. Astrology. The study of stars. نجوم. Grammar section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Engliopedia, your guide to easy learning.